Good morning, EOs. Here we go. Happy Monday. As you can see, let me review this week's assignments. And when you go into your streaming, you will see week 13. And under week 13, there are 4 bullets. The first is, if you look at the journal reflection, what motivated the Spaniards to travel to what is today known as the Midwest of North America? It's a two-part question. How did Bartholomew de las Casas attempt to make life better for the Native Americans? This happened in the mid-1500s, 1542 to be exact, but he was trying to create a peace relationship to protect the culture of the Native Americans as the Spanish colonialists and conquistadors continued to move into the Midwest area. So that was Acellus step 39 to answer that question from last Friday. And then when you move on, you'll see the Acellus step 41 and step 43. 41 is the Columbia Exchange, and 43 is the Roanoke and Jamestown, the 2 beginning establishments of North America. So when you look at those Acellus steps, what I will start doing, and you will notice this week, there's 4 that we're having to move a little bit faster, because in the very beginning of the school year, I only assigned 2 Acellus lessons a week because we were focusing on National History Day. But you will see as the week progresses, we will be increasing the Acellus steps. So we will finish the entire U.S. history by May. And finally, the 4th bullet you'll see is, this is something from last week, looking at the different sources. As you do, it's important to see, remember this is due December 4th, that some of the sources that you research will be primary and some will be secondary. And on Friday, there's a video you will see that teaches you how to dive more into the secondary resource and find through the secondary resource the primary resource. So this is a very good informative video to watch on Friday. But as for today, do the 4 bullets, answer the journal reflection questions, and most important, recognize that our Acellus steps, we're moving a little bit faster. I will post in the materials section the Acellus notes. Some students have moved far in advance, and sometimes when they try to answer the journal reflection questions, they may forget. So those notes are for you. You will see that will be a little more thorough as we move forward. So those are your 4 tasks to do today in social studies. And always stay on Zoom, participate. So if you ever have any questions, I can help answer them for you. Hope you had a good weekend and happy researching.